To send money from Pakistan to Spain, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or Zoom. These services have a wide network of agents and online platforms that can facilitate international money transfers. Next, you will need to gather the necessary information and documents, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Spain. You will also need to provide your own identification and proof of address in Pakistan. Once you have all the required information, you can visit the website or mobile app of your chosen money transfer service and create an account. You will need to provide your personal and financial information and verify your identity through a series of security checks. After your account is set up, you can initiate the money transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. You will be given a range of payment options, including bank transfer, cash pickup, and mobile wallet deposit. Choose the option that best suits your needs and the recipient's preferences. The money transfer service will then provide you with an estimate of the transfer fee and the exchange rate. Make sure to review these details carefully before confirming the transaction. The transfer fee can vary depending on the service provider, the amount being sent, and the payment method. Once the transaction is confirmed, the money will be transferred to the recipient's account in Spain. The recipient can then collect the cash or access the funds through their bank account or mobile wallet. The entire process typically takes a few minutes to a few days, depending on the service provider and the payment method. It is essential to note that money transfer services have limits on the amount that can be sent in a single transaction, and there may be additional fees for larger transactions. Additionally, the recipient may need to provide identification and proof of address to collect the cash or access the funds. To ensure a smooth and secure transaction, make sure to use a reputable money transfer service and follow all the instructions carefully. Also, keep the transaction reference number and other details safe, as they may be required to track the transfer or resolve any issues that may arise.